All right, so this is just a quick update on the killdeer. This was April 4th, and you can see the eggs there under mama bird. She's in an alert position because I've gotten a little too close. I zoomed in a lot. I'm about 10 feet away. And here we have her nesting. This is just a time lapse. This was about a minute and a half of real time condensed into 30 seconds or so. But she's very dutiful. She sits on her nest. Eggs take about a month to hatch, so we need to maintain a distance and keep her stress free so she doesn't have to defend her nest.